Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the GeoZilla phone GPS locator and tracker app, and more importantly, the premium lifetime subscription deal. For a one-time payment, you get lifetime access to features most apps lock behind recurring monthly plans. GeoZilla is a family safety and GPS locator app designed to give you peace of mind. It's simple, easy to use, and helps you stay connected with the people who matter most, without overwhelming you with complicated tech. First, location sharing. You can see where your family members are on the map in real time. That means no more constant, "Where are you?" Texts. You'll know when someone gets to school, arrives at work, or makes it home safely. Second, smart alerts. GeoZilla notifies you when someone leaves or arrives at a specific place. You can also look back at 2 weeks of location history, which is especially handy for parents who want to make sure everything's on track. Third, driver protection. This is one of the newest features, and it could save lives. GeoZilla detects car crashes, sends alerts, and even provides driver coaching. You'll know if someone is speeding or using their phone behind the wheel, giving you a way to talk about safe driving habits. Fourth, quick check-ins. With one tap, you can let your family know you're safe. Plus, privacy is built in. You can pause or stop sharing your location anytime. So, you stay in control of what's shared and when. Now, here's why this deal is worth paying attention to. Normally, apps like this charge monthly fees that add up quickly. But with this StackSocial offer, you can get GeoZilla Premium for life for just $39.99, a one-time payment. That's less than the cost of a single dinner out for a tool that helps keep your family safe for years to come. If you've been looking for a simple way to stay connected with your loved ones and add an extra layer of safety to everyday life, GeoZilla is a smart choice. Check out the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal while it's still available. Stay connected, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.